Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We will explain about 3 different secrets we apply here to fix engine noise rattle on Mercedes C-Class. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes C-Class. It could be multiple generation C-Class, practically anything from year 1995 to currently year 2022. If you have one of those, you have engine noise rattle, you want to see how to fix it, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that without taking the engine apart. We have a secret that we use here at the shop that works quite often guys, and it's worth trying before actually tackling expensive repairs such as valve lifters. Okay, because something like that will require tremendous amount of mechanic work and money resources as well. So let's go ahead and explain what we're talking about today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly getting new cars, we're constantly working on something. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, Mercedes, any model guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can guys save a fortune. So what we have specifically here guys, this is a 2013 Mercedes C250. This is with the CGI engine. If we have a 6-cylinder gasoline diesel 4-cylinder engine, it will work as well guys. So what we're talking about now, you can develop multiple engine noise rattles, okay, on higher mileage vehicles, older vehicles, especially guys if you haven't changed your engine oil on time, you had that extended service interval. Some people change it every 10-15,000 miles, they do an oil change. I'm not a big fan of that guys. I usually change it every 6,000 miles or 10,000 kilometers, even though we use one of the best oils here guys. But what we recommend to do, you don't need to take the engine apart. I'll recommend to try that first. You need to change the engine oil, but before you change your engine oil, do an engine flush with leaky moly additive. This additive is simply amazing guys. Okay, you think I'm joking? I wasn't a believer until we used it on a Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles. We added it, we opened the valve covers to do valve cover gaskets, and the engine was like new on the inside guys. So if you want to check the results, we have a special video that explains does leaky moly engine flush work, demonstrated on Porsche Cayenne. Check it out. Do an engine flush, change the engine oil. Use only oil that's approved by Mercedes for your specific C-Class guys. Okay, for instance, this is the MB229.5. It meets our standards. Okay, this is the new generation Mulligan. This is amazing. Actually, it's green engine oil. 5W40. Use a really good oil. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Replace the oil filter every time. Use only good quality or original filters. That way you can make sure that everything will be right, because if an oil filter fails, okay, your engine can fail completely as well. Next guys, what we do here, we use the Ceratec. Ceratec is one of the best additives that we used for engine noise rattles. Why? Because it guys reduces friction by 75%, it reduces wear by 34%, it protects for 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers, you get better fuel consumption, so it pays for itself. And by using the engine flush, you're going to clean the engine on the inside, such as the cylinder head, valve lifters, variable timing, oil pump screens. All that will get cleaned, and later that additive it's going to do its magic guys. So we recommend guys, okay, to do that. If you have oil leaks, you can try Motor Oil Saver. This is another life-saving device that we use here at the shop quite often as well, that can reduce guys oil leaks tremendously as well. So let's go ahead and add the Ceratec now. So we need to open guys, okay, the hood. Right here is the oil cap, okay, that's where we'll be adding the Ceratec. Okay, if you guys have white sludge on the oil cap, white buildup, we have a special video that explains what causes that and how to fix it. Let me just wipe here so that drop of oil doesn't leak out, okay, and make a mess. Now let's go ahead and add it. So we're going to get the Ceratec out. We're going to shake it really good. Give it a really good shake, because you may have some, okay, some leftovers on the bottom. So let's go ahead, shake, 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 and now we're going to go ahead, open it. remove the safety cap here. Okay, perfect. And we're going to go ahead, okay, pull that seal, and we're ready to go ahead and add it. It's orange in color. Okay, you can check it out. And we just keep adding the whole content, okay, all the way. And we're going to leave it upside down so it can drain itself as well. So you can see, guys, we're practically done. Okay, we can go ahead, okay, remove it. This is, guys, the Certec. Follow the instructions how much you need for your specific engine. You need one of those for every 5 liters of engine oil. But this is amazing stuff. Once you add it, get the car outside the garage, start it, let it run for 10 minutes to cycle everything before you start revving it up. And you'll start noticing improvement very soon, but after 1 or 2 fuel tanks, guys, you will notice tremendous improvement unless you had a mechanical problem, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching. See you next time.